another edition of the Youth World Conference, and this time we're going to rebuild. It's going to be consisting of powerful praise and worship, transforming words, salvation and breakthrough, concerts and drama, and also Holy Ghost fireworks. Great ministers of God like Evangelist Paul Oke, Pastor Paul Enikon Shelu, Reverend Joshua Akinola, Pastor Taiwo Oyinloye. Our very own daddy, Pastor Dr. Alfred Ayifo, we are going to be hosted. It's a 2-day program starting from 12 noon to 10 p.m. on Saturday, 21st November, and 8 a.m. to 12 noon on Sunday, 22nd November. Come along with your nose mask, which is very compulsory, and your hand sanitizer if you have one, and your registration fee, 1,000 naira for adults and 500 naira for teenagers. Also come along with your heart of worship to God, your clothes, and your plate and your cutlery. See you on Saturday. Bye for now.